Welcome to chartforecaster.com. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at NVIDIA, and we covered this one yesterday. And really, they have recently announced Rubin as the successor to Blackwell, and an ecosystem that really includes major players like AWS, OpenAI. These are tech titans that need chips and things like that for their business operations. They're going to require a lot of them. So we're looking for like supply timelines and whether the markets treat this new chip as the next growth leg or if it's already priced in. So we're looking at the charts, and there's several different harmonic patterns here that I think could exist. And I do think that there could also be a potential cup and handle here. You could also argue that this is one tremendous bull flag. And I do think that it's going to be interesting over the next couple days. We're on the 4-hour chart to see what happens with this death cross that's about to happen. Now, a lot of times, like on the 4-hour chart, you'll see death crosses, or excuse me, golden cross. A lot of times you'll see golden crosses, death crosses, kind of produce an opposite effect. Here's an example of a death cross and the price kind of reversed, right? Now we've got a golden cross that's basically on the charts, and we've got this very nice setup, and we could be gearing up to see a very nice Elliott wave theory impulse, kind of up to this $200-ish, $205-ish range. So with that said, we have to pull back up the chart. Sorry about that. With that said, let's just dial back down to the 4-hour chart, and we'll load this into Chart Forecaster, which is an amazing tool that you can use for $9.99 a month to help you predict when market movements will happen. So there's a very nice swing low point here, very nice swing high point here. We'll just go off this more recent one, November 25th. And the way this works is it just decodes the markets, kind of like the Enigma machine during World War II, really breaking down this cryptic language that was being used. So this works in a similar way. We'll calculate the events, and you can kind of see here how well Chart Forecaster does work. So we'll come up here to more recent events. And you can see that here it was predicting that bullish or bearish momentum would start building. And that's exactly what happened. Gave a double confirmation on volatility spikes and breakouts. It's exactly what happened. And it was flashing that this was going to be a momentum peak area. So this candle here, picture this as like a bar going across. So this was definitely a momentum peak area. And I do think that it did an incredible job predicting this market high and reversal point. Price came up, reversed, came back down. Now, Chart Forecaster is saying that there is more bullish or bearish momentum that is starting. It nailed it down to the hour. And things to look out for here. January 10th, about 1600 hours. Look for volatility spikes, breakouts, or pauses. January 14th, around 1900 hours, UTC time. It's telling us that this could be a momentum peak area. So what I'm going to be kind of doing here is trying to figure out what exactly is happening with NVIDIA and their price. We can kind of see or maybe make the arguments that there is a cup and handle here. There is a bull flag here. But it'll be interesting to see what Chart Forecaster has to say. So keep those dates in mind. Subscribe if you liked this video, and also leave a comment and create an account at chartforecaster.com. At the end of the month, I'll be giving some lucky winner a 30-day membership to chartforecaster.com. You must already have an account created to receive that. The best comment will win. So let me know what your thoughts are about NVIDIA, if this is the next leg up, or if you think everything's priced in. See you guys on the next video.